Hello and welcome to Budget with Brian, and today we're going to take a look at this beautiful DUR368L. The unit itself is measuring it in at a whopping 6 foot tall, so this is a very tall box indeed. Despite what this says on the box, I bought this as a body only. I would love all those things in the box, but I did buy this body only. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we get. But before we do that, if you're not already a subscriber, please do hit that subscribe button and ding the bell, and we'll tell you when our next videos are coming out. So I bought this because I've got quite a lot of little sort of gardening work to do. I wanted a brush cutter. I wanted one that was a bit powerful, so I've gone for the 36 volt version. And I've also gone for the brushless one because, well, it seemed like the right thing to do. I've also gone ahead and bought the brush attachment, which is this one. Here's the part number. That's a very exciting Makita part number there, 199868-0. But yeah, this is the main unit. So let's get on and have a look at that. So it looks like you get sort of quite a lot in the bag, actually. So I needn't have bought this extra item. It may even be the wrong part or model number for my unit. So I'm going to have to return that. It has already got the brush cutter that I probably wanted, which is this one here. That was already in the box. I don't think I realised that's what I was getting. And I think really the part number I ordered isn't the part number that's actually been delivered. I think actually, as I say, I've probably got more parts that have come through. Comes with the strimmer attachment, D-handle, carrying strap, bag. Also comes with 2 different sized Allen keys and, you know, something looks a little bit like a spark plug wrench, which with a little screwdriver on the end. Some sort of bracket. We'll have to have a look at that. 2 different types of guard. Now, obviously, we've got you know, string cutter and a more beastly brush cutter there, and also the wheel of death, the spinning disc thing there, which I should imagine is going to be quite tasty, but that came in the box as well. Also this piece of plastic here, which I don't really know what it's for. This is one of the times I'm going to have a quick look at the manual, which is refreshingly thin in comparison to what Makita have shipped in other very simple devices, but this one's come like this. So let's go ahead and do some assembly, and then we'll do up just a quick test, because I'm planning to use this tomorrow. But really stupidly, I don't have 2 18-volt batteries to plug. Well, I do, but they're the very small ones. They're off-brand. They're replacement ones. I don't think they're up for the job. And I've just got one 5-amp original with me. And all of my other batteries are at a different site, and I completely forgot to bring them with me. So I don't think it's going to be I think it's going to be an unboxing rather than a thrashing test. But already liking my new purchase already, but yeah, let's see. Next shot, fully assembled. There we are with the machine assembled. No batteries attached before you think I'm just about to chop my fingers off. I did have to go through the manual. It wasn't actually very descriptive. You have to sort of guess a little bit what's supposed to go with what, but it is fairly obvious once you start using your mind. There's the D handle attached and the not so great shoulder strap. It's still this flimsy rubber affair. I think I would have liked to have seen something a little bit more high quality for a unit of this price. And yeah, we're ready to put some batteries on it and give it a whirl. There we are with the batteries attached. Again, I think one of them's bust. Not great, not happy about that. Let's have a look at the little control unit here. There is an on button. That is showing us a power rating, which I'm sure I should really read the manual. I don't know what the buttons do. So there we go. All right, there we go. Press the power button again. That's 1, 2, and kill mode. And then I think we just got a reverse, forward and reverse for detanglement. Obviously there is a safety switch here. You've got to press them both together. But yeah, we'll have a little look at that now. So I've just run it up and I'm actually quite impressed. I'll just show you what I see when I pull the trigger here, and we're going to have it on 3, position 3. Again, you just press the top one, pull the trigger one underneath, and it will start to spin. But just out of all of the brush cutters and strimmers that I've used, this is by far the quietest. And look how lovely it stops with that brushless motor. No need to, keep it running. Let's put a little electronic brake on and get that to a safe position without hurting the motor. That's actually quite nice. I'll show it again. And there it is, stopped. Right, that was the fastest. Let's start off with the slowest, position 1. Can you imagine that? Now, I'm just talking in slightly a raised voice, I suppose. But listen how quiet that thing is. That's sensational. Just doing it like, I would imagine this is for when you're using the cord, the strimmer attachment. But that's lovely, isn't it? All right, and now position 2. Which I think is for this setting. And position 3, which is really for that blade that came with it in the box. For really smashing through big stuff. So just an unboxing, a quick power up. I'm going to use this tomorrow. So I'm going to pop it on the van and go and destroy some shrubs. Not shrubs. What am I trying to say? Going to destroy some weeds and just tidy up somewhere. And really, why did I buy a battery one when I've got petrol ones? They're just a pain to start. I've got Makita batteries, although they're off-brand. It's just a reliable piece of equipment, which is really what I was looking for. So we're going to have to give that a whirl. Yeah, quite impressed with it at the minute. It feels nice. It's what I expected it to be. Thank you for watching Bodge It with Brian. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe!